Yes, my name is Nagesh, and I have completed MCA, and I am working as a software developer. And my hobbies are listening music and connecting with new people. And if I will get more time, visiting new places. Yeah,
So, from which state are you?
yeah, I am from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay, okay. When did you start your journey of learning this language?
Yeah, your voice is not clear, as I said.
Okay. Just a minute. Let me remove my earphone maybe because of that.
Okay, I think it was happening because of that earphone actually.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
maybe.
I said, when did you start your journey of learning this language?
Yeah, I am in this journey from last 2 months, and but just I used to work on audio calls. Previously, 1 month before, I was working with the audio calls and do practicing using some mobile applications. But now I get to know about these video conversations from last 2 weeks, and then I joined in a Skype. Someone has helped me to join in the Skype, and from that point of view, if I will get any time free, then I use this time to have kind of interactions with the YouTubers as well as who seeking to learn English.
Yeah, yeah. So how did you start? I mean, speaking this language. Did you read some books of grammar too?
Yes, anyhow, we know the grammar, but lack of practice. We don't have, we didn't do practice. That's where we back in the English language, as I know. But about the tenses and everything, the grammar, yeah, we know little bit. I can say, but it require more practice. If you will do more practice, then if you know the grammar also, if you didn't practice well, then that will not useful. That's where I thought that, and I came to these practice sessions from last 2 months. I'm in this journey. I've been in this journey. I will get much time, but in the evenings also, if someone will ask or if I am free, then yeah, I try to connect with them. But in the weekends, if I don't have any work, yeah, I will try to connect.
Okay. Do you have some friends in your area who speak
Yeah,
English?
why not? Oh, no, no, that environment is not there. As you know, our academics also, we completed in native language as that environment, the friend circle, or yeah. But in the office, yeah, we can get that facility. But even in the office, also, a lot of native English speakers are available. That's why a lot of times we will connect with them, and even we hesitate to talk in English sometimes. We will talk in English, but we don't have much confidence. That's why we don't try to connect with them.
Yeah, yeah. If you keep on practicing it daily, so I think that that hesitation will go away automatically.
Exactly, exactly. Yeah, I am on this practice now. Gradually, as I know that yeah, we will be in a good position after 4 months or 6 months. We'll see.
Yeah, yeah, it will be okay. Even
Yeah.
I used to face kind of problems as you are going through this time. Even I had all these problems, but slowly and gradually everything I think became over.
Yes, yes. But how
Yeah.
long have been in this journey?
Who? Me?
You, yeah.
No, as you said that you have started doing this thing around 2 months ago, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so I started doing this thing around 6 years ago.
Is it? Oh,
Years
okay.
ago. Yeah, doing the practice, how to speak it. It
But
was it was very
in last 6 years, what are the platforms you used? What are the ways you used to improve your language? I don't think so. Whatever the applications are available nowadays, not this Skype or any mobile applications. So I think we didn't have the time.
Yeah. In the beginning, I used to use, there was an app which name is Hybro app. We can talk to the people on audio call, and that
Okay.
was free. Yeah, so I used to use that, and after that, I came to know about this app that is here, on which we are talking at this time. So after that, I
Okay.
started talking on this app. Otherwise, before that, I used to talk on that Habro app. But it was, I mean, this kind of facility like video call was not there.
Yes, yes, exactly.
Have you used that app?
No, actually, I'm using that CB application or AC fluency application now. I was continuously practicing through that applications, but I don't know about whatever you mentioned that application.
Maybe actually it is not that much famous. That's why.
Okay, okay, nice. But I have one question here. Yeah, if you are practicing from last 6 months, in lot of other people, so like just like Clappingo and English here in other the platforms are available. You join? Why don't you join as a tutor in those applications?
Yeah, that is good, but I do not want to join all these things actually.
Okay, anyhow, you would like to take the interactions with others. Yeah, that will help you. Yeah.
You mean to teach there, right?
I didn't get you.
No. It is not negative thing actually. As you said that for teaching there, so I am about to start my own. That is why I do not want to join any kind of
Okay,
thing.
okay, no issue. Yeah. That's just I am clarifying what exactly in your mind. The people who are practicing more than 3 years and they are in a good position now, those people are joining as a tutors in other platform. That's why just I asked. Anyhow, you have been in this journey from last 6 years. That's why I thought yeah, my thought process is said, why don't you join? That's why just I asked.
Yeah. That's why I did not join it. Actually, I was busy in completing some pieces of work. That's why I could not start it. But very soon I will do that.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, a lot of people in their own also what they are doing is just they are taking some money for the few sessions like 25 sessions or 50 sessions they are putting and they're charging some money and they give you a feedback and they created one syllabus just like the one instructions for each and every interaction and they are going with that instructions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even I have talked to some people who had joined that app. I mean that those classes, and yeah, I talked with them. It was good, I can say.
Yeah.
And some people were asking me for teaching them. So I told them that once I complete my work, after that I'll start doing that. Like
Yeah.
foreign English, British, American, all these things.
Yeah, if you are familiar with other country English and just like if you can deliver as a native English speakers, then that could be more helpful. Who want to go foreign and they are trying to, they are trying to learn the pronunciation. The pronunciation is totally different for each and every place. Even in our India also, the South Indian will deliver uh, differently and other people will differently and each and every state people are pronunciation is also different few times.
Yeah, actually, there is a standard pronunciation that is widely accepted. So if someone is going to speak in that accent at that time, everyone can understand him, whether that person is from Russia, America, China, Japan, or from some other country.
Okay, okay.
Standard pronunciation, and I have
Mm-hmm.
and I have learned that.
Okay, but if you will use that pronunciation anywhere I can't understand.
Yeah, maybe, but sometimes people cannot understand that because they are not aware of
Yes.
those things. According to which British,
Yes.
according to which Britishers speak and Americans speak.
Yeah.
And as I told you that I was busy in doing some kind of work, so this was that work, learning these things.
Okay. Understand. I think you are a goal that need to be improve others countries pronunciation well, and then you need to start something.
Yeah, I was thinking that I should try to cover everything, all the things in English, and after that I will start that. And as I have told you that I have done post graduation in this language, so I have a knowledge of this thing too. That how this
Yes.
English, yeah, history of English literature, how it came in the world and how it spread in the entire world and how it came to India and what were the reasons. So I know all these things too.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Anyhow, nowadays a lot of people are passionate to talk in English. So if without English language communication, we can't grow in our career, as I know. And even some business people who are doing the business, those are also um, too passionate to talk in English. Why? Because of they need to grow their business very well. To talk with different customers. If abroad customers will come to contact them, yeah, they need to communicate. That's where a lot of people from last 1 month or yeah 2 months. I was observing the people who are coming to these applications and who are practicing more. Yeah, a lot of other each and every sector people are passionate to doing this. That's where I got more motivation. The people are trying to learn the English. This many people, yeah, why don't you? As an IT employee, I need to deliver very well. Otherwise, it's a very difficult to
Yeah,
understand others. Yeah.
it is not possible for anyone to learn all the languages like Gujarati, Marathi, and Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, all these languages. No one can learn all these languages, right?
Yes.
So, and if we know English, I mean this language, at that time we can talk to anyone, not only in our country, but in the entire world also.
Exactly. Yes.
Right. That's why it is very important, whether we see it from the viewpoint of business or something else. In every field, it is very important.